It helps us do our job faster by helping us retrieve information quicker. So if I want to see abandoned buildings, I click on an abandoned building layer, and then it becomes enabled on my map.
High noon, and the Washington, D.C. Fire Department is responding to a possible explosion. On board, they've got radios, first aid gear, and the latest firefighting tool, Google. That's right, Google.
It helps us do our job faster by helping us retrieve information quicker, and it also gives us a reference point on a map.
Deputy Chief Dimitrios Vlasopoulos isn't talking about Google's search engine, but a customized version of its mapping program, Google Earth.
So if I want to see abandoned buildings, I click on an abandoned building layer, and then it becomes enabled on my map.
It also shows the location of every fire hydrant, fire truck, and EMS unit in the city, all in real time.
The hydrant layer is telling us not only where the hydrants are, but whether they're in service or out of service. If they're out of service, we can't use them, so we're not even going to waste our time with it.
Google Earth is part of a software package the city of D.C. buys called Google Applications. Apps for short. Unlike most office software, Apps isn't installed on individual computers, but on Google servers, accessed through the internet. It's an idea called cloud computing.
Tell me what the concept of cloud computing is.
Cloud computing means you get your technology from the cloud, from somewhere else. Instead of having to install computers and software and manage it all yourself, you get it in the cloud.
Dave Gerard is president of Google Enterprise. His job is to sell customized Google apps like Gmail, Search, and Google Earth to businesses, schools, and governments.
In the old world, you pay a lot of money up front, and then you pay somebody else to install it, and then you pay somebody else to patch it when there's security problems or manage it, and then you go through another whole set of problems when it's time to upgrade to the new version. In this world, all that disappears.
D.C. officials say Google Apps has saved taxpayers more than $3 million in its first year alone.